And you know where I got this from? Took it from my wife stash. Her nail polish. Good enough. Gotta break this loose first before I use. Oh. Yeah, I don't have to mark the caps. It's got an arrow and then got number on it. Intake 2. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Same as the E, which is exhaust. Alright, now the head bolts. And it's gotta be 12 point. You need 14, 12 point. So the one in the back, this will not fit. So I gotta find the skinny wall with the 12 point. So I'm gonna attempt to get in there and lift it. See if I can be able to lift it. Come freely now. Ah! Well, I got the second head out right there. Now I'm just waiting for the parts to come. It's on order. It'll probably take 5 to 7 days. In the meantime, I'm gonna prep it, clean it, examine the valve. Hopefully I don't find anything, but if if it is bent, probably just, it won't be all of it.